Welcome to this tutorial on mastering lookup function in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use the lookup function to find specific data in large data sheets easily. This is an exemplary data that I will use to explain how you can use the lookup function in Microsoft Excel. These data include the employee ID, name, designation, joining date, and the salary. And on the right, we have the lookup section where I have the ID, name, and salary. First of all, I will go to this cell under the ID, and here I want to make the list of the employee IDs so that I can search across all the IDs. To make a drop-down list here, I will go to the data tab. Then I will click this data validation. I will go to the data validation. It will open this window. Here I will select the list, and in the source I will provide the list of all the employee IDs by selecting them, and then I will click OK. So here you can see that a drop down button is created. When I click it, I can scroll across various employee IDs that are included in my dataset. So whenever I select any ID, that is written automatically over here. After creating the drop-down list of employee ID, my next task is the use of lookup function. For this purpose, I will go to this cell, and here I will write equal lookup bracket start, and first I have to provide the lookup value. Lookup value is the employee ID, so I click it, then I will put comma, and then I will give the lookup vector, that is actually the whole data, so I will select the whole data. Then I will provide comma, and after putting comma, now I have to give the result vector. So the result vector is the employee name, so I will select all the employee names from my dataset, and then I will close this bracket and press enter. Now you can see that the name is written in front of the employee ID. If I change any employee ID, the name is changing automatically. We can verify this from the data that the employee ID of the E009 is corresponding to the Danial Ali, that is written over here. So you can easily now search across the data just by clicking this drop down button. Similarly, we can get the salary. For this purpose, again I will write equal, and then I will write lookup bracket start. So the lookup value is again the employee ID. After this I will provide comma, then the lookup vector will be the whole data set, so I am going to select the whole data, then the comma, and the result vector is the salary this time, so I have to select the salary, and then I will close this bracket and press enter. Now you can see that we can search across this data very easily. Just by selecting any ID, we can get the name as well as the salary of the employee. Like for example, from the data we can see that the employee ID with E002 Austin Brown and the salary is 109,000, and the same we are getting in our lookup section.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.